Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting for you, a deep dive into 3 secret AI tools that hardly anyone is talking about. These tools are perfect if you're looking to save time and boost productivity, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves experimenting with new tech. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to use AI to create stunning presentations, realistic videos, and even custom music. I'm telling you, once you start using these tools, you'll wonder how you ever manage without them. So let's get started and make sure you stick around until the end because you won't want to miss any of these. The first tool I want to introduce is Gamma.ai. Now, this is a tool that's going to blow your mind if you've ever had to create presentations for school, college, or work. It's designed to help you build professional decks in just minutes. Yes, minutes. Instead of wasting hours tweaking slides, Gamma.ai lets you generate high quality presentations with just a few clicks. Here's how you get started. First, head over to Gamma.app. It's really simple to sign up. Just follow the instructions to create an account and you're in. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a button that says Generate. Click on that. And this is where the magic happens. What you need to do next is describe the kind of presentation or deck you want. For example, let's say you're working on a pitch deck for your startup venture fund. You can type something like make a deck for my venture fund. The fund name is Roadrunner Ventures, and we invest in early stage consumer startups. Once you hit that generate button, Gamma.ai will create a detailed outline for your deck, giving you a solid structure right off the bat. But the customization doesn't stop there. If you scroll down, you'll notice options to modify settings like image source and image style. Let's say you want your images to have a sleek, modern look, just specify that, and Gamma.ai will adjust accordingly. After this step, you'll be prompted to pick a theme for your presentation. Whether you're going for a minimalist or bold style, there are several templates to choose from. Once you've selected a theme, hit generate again, and just like that, within a matter of seconds, your deck will be ready. It's really that fast. Now, when you're happy with your deck, and trust me, you will be, it's time to save it. Simply click on the share button and head to the export section. You can export the deck in multiple formats like PDF, PNG, or even PowerPoint, making it easy to share or present in any environment. Honestly, Gamma.ai is a lifesaver for anyone who's tired of the hassle of building presentations from scratch. Moving on to the second tool, which is Hagen. Now, this one really caught me by surprise. The first time I saw a video created by Hagen, I was almost creeped out by how realistic it looked. This AI tool is specifically designed to help you create videos, and I'm not talking about basic, boring videos. I mean hyper-realistic videos where you can have avatars speak on your behalf. Whether you're a YouTuber, a marketer, or someone who just wants to create engaging content, Hagen has got you covered. Here's how you get started. Go to Hagen, sign up, and head straight to the Create Video section. You'll be asked to choose between an avatar video or a translation video. If you're looking to create your own character, select avatar video. Next, you'll pick the orientation of your video landscape if you're aiming for a YouTube style format, or portrait for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Now comes the fun part. You can either choose a public avatar from their library, or if you want to add a personal touch, create your own by clicking Photo Avatar. Upload a photo of yourself or anyone you want to represent you in the video. Once you've uploaded the image, the next step is to add a script. You have 3 options. You can either type in your script, record your own voice, or upload a pre-recorded audio file. For instance, if you want your avatar to introduce your business, you can type something like, "Hi, welcome to my business. We offer the best services in the industry, and I'm excited to share more with you." It's as simple as that. Once you've added your script or recording, click on Submit. In just a few minutes, Hagen will generate a realistic video with your avatar speaking the words you provided. And let me tell you, the end result is astonishing. Once the video is ready, you can download it and use it in your projects. Whether you're creating content for social media, tutorials, or even explainer videos, Hagen is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Finally, we have MusicFix. This tool is a bit of a hidden gem developed by Google, but not a lot of people know about it. With MusicFix, you can create custom music tracks based entirely on your description. If you're a content creator or just someone who needs the perfect background music, this is the tool for you. Here's how to use it. Head over to MusicFix and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a box on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll type your request. For example, let's say you need an happy tune for a YouTube intro. You can type, "I want upbeat, happy music with a catchy melody," and then hit the generate button. Within seconds, MusicX will produce a unique track tailored to your description. You can listen to the music, adjust the settings if needed, and once you're satisfied, hit download to save the file. The best part, you don't need any music production skills. MusicX handles it all for you. Whether you need music for a video, a podcast, or any other project, this AI makes it incredibly easy to get the perfect sound. So there you have it, 3 secret AI tools that can seriously level up your productivity and creativity. Whether you're working on presentations, videos, or music, these tools will save you time and help you create professional results results in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.